Assalamualaikum dosto. Once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel Like Join Pharmacy. My dear brothers and sisters, today I am here in front of you to discuss about the third semester syllabus. Okay, as you have completed first and second semester, some are writing the examination. Don't worry about that. After your examination you can look this video. But see here in third semester syllabus of your B Pharmacy third semester, the third semester syllabus means the subjects are totally four subjects. Very easy subject. You can easily score maximum marks in these four subjects. But my suggestion to you all is that, my dear brothers and sisters, now from these third semester, don't read for marks. You read for the knowledge itself. Okay, just start to gain the knowledge, because from third semester to eighth semester, the topics are very interested and very beautiful concepts are there. Okay, it's very important to acquire the knowledge from those concepts. You remember one thing, if you acquire the knowledge means no examination will touch you. No examination will touch you. You can fast or you can you can pass any examination by your perfect knowledge. Yes, you do. And my request to you all, you don't worry about your examination. One mission is there. Okay, I will start one mission, that is a third semester mission. In that third semester mission, my dear brothers and sisters, inshallah I will complete the whole 4 chapters with notes, lectures, and after that I will come across important questions, very important questions which will ask in your examination. And if you observe these lectures, means I guaranteed that you will not fail in your examination. Okay, clear this idea. Yes, now these are the 4 subjects in the theory, as usual same as in the practical. What you are observing, no 4 subjects same as in the practical. See, the first subject is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2. There we studied Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. Here we will study about the 2. And Physical Pharmaceutics 1. In first semester we studied Pharmaceutics 1 subject. Okay, same year Physical Pharmaceutics we will study. That's the base of this is the Pharmaceutics 1, which we studied in the first sem. Later we will discuss, you don't worry, just to overview on these subjects. Then Pharmaceutical Microbiology means here about viruses, means microorganisms. We will study about all the microorganisms, minute contaminations in this subject. And the fourth subject is a Pharmaceutical Engineering. Here this subject is a very interesting and funny subject, because here we will study the manufacture process in the industrial, means all the arts and techniques we will study in this subject. Okay, yes, without wasting the time, let's know about what is this POC2 and which units are concluded in this POC2 chapters, etc. See here, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2, totally 5 units are there, my dear brothers and sisters. In that first unit is benzene and derivatives. You remember one thing, in this Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2, my dear brothers and sisters, here in this subject you will study all the structures, beautiful structures are there. Okay, and if you understand this concept, means you can easily enter into the any industry or any packaging industries or any drug related industries, because very important structures are there. In the first unit, that is benzene and derivatives, we will discuss about analytical, synthetic and other evidences in the derivation of the structure of the benzene, orbital pitch, then resonance in benzene, aromatic character, Haeckel's rule. You don't worry, you just listen this video and inshallah we will complete all these subjects. Okay, I will complete this unit 1 benzene and derivatives and all these basic chapters. These all are the subheadings, basic subheadings. Okay, what you are observing, analytical, synthetic and other evidence in the derivations of the structure of the benzene. I will complete all this and I will upload with notes, lecture plus notes in this video. Okay, in these upcoming videos, you don't worry about that. Then let's move across the next chapter, that is reaction of benzene. Here we will study some of the reactions, that is nitration, sulfonation, halogenation reaction, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation we will study here. Then we will discuss here substituents, effect of substituents, then electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, then orientation of monosubstituted benzene compound we will discuss here. Then the structure of and uses of DDT, then saccharin, BHC and chloramine, which here we will discuss in the first unit of your POC. After this we will just move towards the next unit. Here we will discuss about the phenols, aromatic amines and the aromatic acid. Phenols, we will discuss some of the acidity in the phenols, okay, acidic character, physical properties. Then aromatic amines, acidity, basidity, okay. In aromatic acid we will define here, and in that we will read some of the structure and some of the diagrammatic views, orientations. Easy concepts are there. You don't worry about the concept, just you look here what I am saying. I know you will not understand these what I am saying, but little you start understanding the concept, means surely you can understand the concept. In unit 3 we will discuss about the fats and oils, and this is a very important unit for your examination purpose. Okay, fats and oils, here we discuss fatty acid reactions, hydrolysis, hydrogenation, saponification, rancidity oils, then analytical constants, where in the unit 3. Then unit 4, polynuclear hydrocarbons, there we study about the synthesizers, how to prepare, reactions, structure, medicinal use of naphthalene, then phenaphthalene, anthracene, diphenylmethane, triphenylmethyl and the derivatives. In unit 5, let's move. Here we discuss about some of the cycloalkanes, cyclic structure, stabilities of their Bayes chain theory, limitations of a Bayes chain theory. Then we will study some of the theories and reactions of cyclopropane and cyclobutane. Okay, yes, this is the pharmaceutical organic chemistry we discussed. In 5 unit we will study the basic chapters, the basic subunits are there. Okay, each unit contains minimum 6 to 7 chapters, and these chapters are totally easy. Okay, if you know the base, means with a single hand you can score maximum marks in this POC 3. Yes, now let's move across the second subject in our third semester B Pharmacy, that is the physical pharmaceutics. My dear brothers and sisters, don't forget to subscribe my channel Let's Join Pharmacy, and don't forget to on your bell notification, because while further I am uploading the video should be touched to you. Okay, so that for touching you should on your bell notification. So please don't forget to all, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, here physical pharmaceutics unit 1, solubility of the drugs we will discuss here. See here, physical pharmaceutics, very simple subject here. Here just what we are reading means some of the physical and chemical properties of these drugs, soluble or not, okay, solubility or not, it is miscible or not. Then we will discuss some of the physical and chemical properties of liquids, of solids. Very easy concept. Okay, basic concepts are there here in our third semester. Solubility of the drugs. Insolubility means solubility expressions, mechanism of the solute solvent interactions, ideal solubility parameters we will discuss. Then some of the solubility of the gases, solubility liquids, Royle's law, limitations and application. Okay, I will upload this syllabus in the description. You go and check it out there. Got it? In physical pharmaceutics. Then in unit 3 we will study about the states of matter and properties of matter. Okay, matter, the structure and functional unit of any solid is it's a matter. Any compound, that's matter. We will study that matter. It is a minute particle, matter. Very interesting topic is this, and very important also. States of matter we will discuss here. Changes in the state of matter, latent heat, vapor pressure, sublimation, critical point, then eutectic mixture, okay, gases, aerosols, inhalers, relative humidity, liquid complexes, liquid crystals, glassy states, solid crystals, amorphous, then polymerization. Here we will study in this unit, in this chapter. Then in physico-chemical properties of the drug molecules, physical and chemical properties of the drug we will study here. What we will study here, we will study some of the physical and chemical properties of the drugs, how the drugs will act, okay, how they are stable or not, their chemical stability, their physical stability we will discuss here. Yes, and let's move towards the unit 3, that is the surface and interfacial phenomenon. Here some of the liquid interference, surface, interfacial tensions, surface free area, measurement of surface and interfacial surface, then surface active agents, HBl scale, solubilization, detergency, absorption at a solid interface. Here we will study in the third unit these all, my dear brothers and sisters. Let's move to the fourth unit. In fourth unit, we will come across the complexation and protein binding, and in fifth unit, very important, we will study pH, buffers and isotonic solutions. pH of the solutions, buffers, how to maintain the pH, means if the pH is high means, or if the pH is low means, how we can maintain by adding some of the buffers, and isotonic solution. These are the 5 important unit in pharmaceutical, in your physical pharmaceutics. Got it? Yes, my dear brothers and sisters. Already we have completed 2 subjects. Now let's move over to the third subject. The third subject is very important, very important, and new subject to all, that is the pharmaceutical microbiology. Here in this, the name itself, it is indicating microbe means a small particle, small organisms, minute viruses, fungi, bacteria, bacteriostatic, everything we are reading here. In unit 1, we will study some of the introduction, history of that, then introduction to prokaryotes, eukaryotes, some of the classification of the bacteria, nutritional requirements, raw materials used for the culture media, and physical parameters for growth, then preservative methods for the pure cultures. Okay, here in unit 1, just basic we will discuss. You don't worry, with the basic, with a small concept I will start. Okay, we will reach from which basic to the high level, basic level to the high level, basic level to the high level. Okay, you don't worry about that. Just subscribe my channel and stay with me, stay connected with me. Okay, unit 2, here we will discuss some of the identification of the bacteria using staining techniques and biochemical test. Means we are identifying which bacteria is present in the preparation, okay, by means of the staining techniques. Study of principles we will discuss here. Then evaluation of efficiency of sterilization method, equipments employed in large scale sterilization, which type of equipments are employed in heavy large industrial purposes, large scale sterilization. Then sterility indicators there we will discuss. Now let's move over in the third chapter. In third unit, we will discuss about the study of morphology, classification, then reproduction and cultivation of the fungi and viruses, how these are classified, morphological structure, then reproduction and cultivation, and classification and mode of action of infection, means action, how this disinfection shows their act, and classification of this disinfection. These are used to kill the bacteria, to kill the microorganisms, pathogens. Okay, and very important concept this is. Then factors influencing disinfections, antiseptics and other evaluation. Then evaluation of bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Then sterility testing of the products. Okay, according to Indian pharmacopoeia, British pharmacopoeia and United States pharmacopoeia. Means sterility testing means here we are testing the products by some of the Indian pharmacopoeia, British pharmacopoeia, USP sterility tests. Means if that product contains the microorganisms or not. If it product means we will reduce that. Okay, we will remove the minute contaminated particles from the drug or from the solution which is prepared. Okay, before dispensing to the patients, we will remove that all contaminations. How we can find that initially? By means of this sterility testing. Yes, in unit 4 we will designing some of the aseptic area, then laminar flow equipment, study of different sources of contamination, then principles, method of different microbiological assay, method of standardization and antibiotics, vitamins and amino acid. We will study here methods for standardization of units. Then in fifth unit we will discuss about type of a spoilage, factors affecting the microbial spoilage of pharmaceutical products, then preservative of pharmaceutical products using antimicrobial agents. Okay, how to preserve this pharmaceutical product by using some of the antimicrobial agent. If some of the microbes are present, means how to prevent our pharmaceutical products by means of using this antimicrobial agents. We will study this very important chapters, my dear brothers, very important units, very important concept you will study in your third sem. Just you need to understand and apply in your daily needs. Okay, you don't in this semester, from this semester you don't think I am writing the examination. Okay, in future I want to write the examination. Just understand the concept. Okay, I want to face the examination not in the single sheet of paper. I want to face this examination on a life. Okay, the pharmacy, it's not a easy job, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, we are playing with someone's life. Okay, if one mistake means his life has gone, he has lost his life, he has stopped his breath. So we have to be very cautious. Okay, pharmacy students are greater than the doctors. It's my prediction. Pharmacy students, pharmacy practitioner are greater than the doctors, because they only prescribe these medicines, they only prepare these medicines, not doctors. Doctors are just prescribing. What they are doing, just they are writing the tablet, Zerodol, paracetamol, finish, that much. Okay, the background is by means of these pharmacy students, pharmacist. So remember this concept until your last break. Don't forget. How you can remember? By means of understanding the subject. Okay, remember the subject by playing. How you play cricket, how you play football, no. At that time you play with these subject. 110% you will be not lose your memory, not lose this concept from your memory. Yes, let's move towards the last subject, that is pharmaceutical engineering. Very important, very theoretical subject. Here in this subject we will discuss some of the techniques, arts, designs, means some of the industrial plants, how to work in that industry, some of the techniques to develop to work in particular industry, particular drug making faculties, particular drug making aspects, particular drug making build which industrial areas, how to work there, how we can work. Just but these all are we are studying in pharmaceutical engineering. In unit 1 we will study about the flow of fluids, size reduction, size separation. Means if the size of the drug is greater, means then we cannot supply that. Then how to reduce that size, we will study from this pharmaceutical engineering. Then in unit 2 we will discuss about heat transfer, evaporation, distillation process. In unit 3 drying and mixing the products, mixing the products, it is also very important. In unit 4 filtration and centrifugation. In unit 5, the last unit of your pharmaceutical engineering, that is materials of pharmaceutical plant construction, corrosion and its preservative, how to preserve your drugs, how to preserve your prepared medicines. Okay, which type of equipment should be used to prepare the certain type of drug. Here everything we will study in this third semester B Pharmacy. My prediction is that, my heart tells that this third semester, if you clears very well, means 110%, my dear brothers and sisters, until your last 8th semester, no doubt will be in your mind. Okay, because it's a very important subject. I know the video is long, it becomes 20 minutes, I think so, but you don't worry, you observe this until last 20 minutes. It is the first video of the third semester of your B Pharmacy. Got it? And in next upcoming classes we will study about important concepts, means the lectures. First I will take the pharmaceutical microbiology, because it is new subject to you all. So in the name of Allah, from tomorrow onwards, inshallah, we will study about pharmaceutical microbiology. In that we will study about the unit 1. Okay, that is introduction to this microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology. In next class I am here with that topic. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, so don't forget to share this video, subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. If you are already subscribed, before forget to on the bell notification, means then on the bell notification, like and comment if you are having any doubt about your examination or any doubt about your subject related. Yes, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.